welcome to this special broadcast from the heart of Delhi. And yes, I'm kicking off my Delhi election coverage from one very, very important seat, the constituency of Jangpura. So why did I choose to start from Jangpura? Well, it's a perfect blend of old and new Delhi. You can see behind me what I mean by old Delhi. The beautiful monuments of the national capital are mostly based in Jangpura. Add to that the modern mix of crowd that's now settled in the seat makes it a very, very interesting combine. Now, you've heard a lot from the politicians. Our show is going to be a little bit different. You're only going to be hearing from the people. And this will be completely unadulterated version. So what the Delhiites have to say about the issues that matter to them, what changes they want, and the infrastructure that they hope the MLAs who they choose will actually vote for. Let's begin with our journey through the lanes of Jangpura.
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, जंगपुरा विधानसभा की बात हो रही है तो जंगपुरा विधानसभा में खड़े हो तो यहाँ से तरिंदर सिंह मारवाही जी ही जीतेंगे। चाहे सब्जी वाला, पटरी वाला, दुकान वाला या बच्चा, पूछ लो। देखते हैं यहाँ पे मारवाही जी कौन है, सब बता देंगे, पर इनका कोई बता ही नहीं पाएगा।
इसको निकालो यहाँ से, या झाड़ू को। मैं आपको बताऊँ, झाड़ू ने बेड़ा गर्क कर डाला है।
झाड़ू कुछ सफाई नहीं किया।
नथिंग, पैसा खा गए हैं, अंधाधुंध पैसा खा गए हैं।
Do you think Sisodia can bring any change?
नथिंग, सब अब वैसे ही है। ये देखना इलेक्शन के बाद महाराष्ट्र में क्या हुआ।
You think something like that will happen here?
100%.
100%.
Yeah?
Okay, so you think...
Modi says, या अमित शाह says,
Yeah.
महाराष्ट्र में इतना सीट आ सकता था।
So you think Maharashtra repeat in Delhi?
Yeah. बटन यूं दबेंगे, यूं बटन दबाएंगे हम इस पे, झाड़ू पे, टेक होगा उधर।
अच्छा, okay.
कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, जबरदस्त सब गड़बड़ है सारी, हेराफेरी करके जीत जाते हैं लोग।
When you see these images of a Sheesh Mahal, of this amount spent on beautifying the CM house, does that matter?
I think it will affect people thinking.
Are you thinking about it?
Because 10 years back when this party came into the power, the basic thought was like he was a Aam Aadmi, which creates a, sense of security in Aam Aadmi, that हमारे जैसे ही कोई आ रहा है. But when you have seen 10 years, every घोटाला, this sharab thing, this Sheesh Mahal and so many other things, that will definitely affect the voter.
तो मेरे को एक बात बताइए, अब तक जितने लोग से मैं बात कर रही है, आपके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, बीजेपी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, कांग्रेस नहीं है क्या?
कांग्रेस तो गई, समझ लो।
क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो कैंडिडेट है फरासुरी अच्छा है।
नहीं, फरासुरी अच्छा नहीं, वो तो वोट ही काटेगा और क्या होएगा।
कुछ भी नहीं, रोडों का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं दूर हो, चाहे वो केजरीवाल हो चाहे वो हो, हमारे लिए कोई नहीं है। ये गरीब गुप्ते के लिए सब कुछ है, बस उनको पैसा दे ही चलो, सब काम करी चलो,
फ्री में सब कुछ दे रहे हैं।
जो हमारा मीडियम तबके का जो है हम मर रहे हैं।
हाँ, खा लिया, इधर जलेबी
खाना अच्छा था।
अच्छा था।
आप क्या रेकमेंड करोगे? जलेबी? अच्छा, ओके, सो आई गो विद जलेबी देन। थैंक यू। Thank you. The perks of coming into all these parts of Delhi is now I'll be able to try all the good food from the small stalls. It's time for a jalebi break. I know it's early in the morning, so my calorie intake is taken care of now. बहुत धन्यवाद भैया, बहुत अच्छा है. So we've been seeing how in this election everyone's talking about the women vote. So here in Jangpura, let's talk to some women, find out if all the freebies, the doles, the sops, if it actually makes a difference for the women of Jangpura and how they vote. Let's find out. बीजेपी बोल रहे हैं कि हम इतना पैसे देंगे महिलाओं को, आप बोल रहे हैं कि इतना पैसा. अच्छा, आप तो हंस रहे हो, मजे क्यों?
क्या वो हर रोज देगा या हर महीने देगा?
जरूरत ही नहीं है हमें.
जरूरत नहीं है.
नहीं, उसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है हमको.
अच्छा,
जो वो देगा वो 5,000 दे, 10,000 दे,
3,000 दे, उसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है। क्योंकि जब हम खुद कमाते हैं, हमारा खुद का पैसा बचना चाहिए जिससे हम कमाते हैं। वो तो इतनी मेहनत, हम इतनी मेहनत से कमाते हैं और वो इतनी महंगाई करके उसको सब ठिकाने लगा देता है।
Okay, so we found an AAP campaign vehicle, very familiar sight in election time. भाई मैं बैठ जाऊं? कितने राउंड मार दिया आपने यहाँ पे अभी? 2 हो गया। और कितना करना है?
5 बजे करें,
5 बजे तक पूरा यहाँ पे जाओगे। तो आप मतलब ये गाड़ी चला रहे हो जिसमें मनीष सिसोदिया का ऐड लगा है जंगपुरा में, लेकिन आप किसके लिए वोट करेंगे?
इसी के करेंगे,
केजरीवाल के लिए। तो आप शीशमहल देखे हो?
शीशमहल तो नहीं देखे हैं जी।
नहीं देखे, पिक्चर्स तो देखे होंगे। कोई कमेंट भी नहीं है?
नहीं।
नो कमेंट। अच्छा, आप तो मतलब नेता बन गए फिर, कमेंट भी नहीं कर रहे हो। So we're in Nizamuddin West, part of the Jangpura constituency, and I was amazed that in this residential area full of homes, there's a community center with even a shooting range. How amazing is that? A bullseye there. I'm going to give it a shot, just a small attempt to shoot the shot. Let's see which political party can actually do that here in Delhi.
Basic fundamentals in shooting.
Fundamentals of shooting. Not bad. Thank you. Let's get back down to business. पूरे दिल्ली में आपको कौन चाहिए सरकार बनने में?
हमें बीजेपी चाहिए।
बीजेपी ही चाहिए। अच्छा, लेकिन मुख्यमंत्री फेस ही नहीं है।
मुख्यमंत्री फेस नहीं है, कोई बात
नहीं पड़ता है।
सब इंटेलिजेंट है, कोई भी बन जाए कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
आप आइए, देखिए क्या हाल हो रहा है। देखिए सड़कों का, देखिए सड़क कितने दिनों से खराब हुई हुई है।
अच्छा, ओके, इट्स फुल ऑफ पॉटहोल्स। हाँ,
गटर देखिए, आज 6 महीने हो गए हैं।
हाँ,
6 मंथ से हो गया ऊपर। इनकी शॉप आगे, इनके आगे गटर बह रहा है, कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे।
आप भी मानते हो कि आप एमएलए कुछ नहीं किया, विधायक यहाँ कुछ नहीं किया?
प्रवीण कुमार ने बिल्कुल नहीं किया।
ये बस इतना बोलूंगी कि जो सिटीजन के लिए चाहिए, व्हाट दे आर ऑल टॉकिंग अबाउट इज बेटर रोड्स। सो हुएवर द कैंडिडेट इज इन जंगपुरा, बीजेपी, कांग्रेस, आप, I hope you're watching this and you'll fix this road. मारवा जी को क्या आपको लगता है, क्योंकि लोकल फेस है, उससे कुछ फर्क पड़ता है?
मारवा जी ने तो आज तक, ये तो बिल्डर है, बिल्डर माफिया है।
अच्छा, बिल्डर माफिया।
ये हजारों करोड़ का मालिक है, ये बचने के लिए वहाँ गया है। ये हजारों करोड़ का मालिक, ये तो बच ही नहीं सकता। ये तो एमएलए 3 बार का हारा हुआ है, 3 बार का हारा हुआ और हजारों करोड़ का मालिक है। लोगों को मालूम नहीं है, 40 साल से, 45 साल से वोट डाल रहे हैं। अब रेन वाटर जो बारिश के पानी की लाइन है वो एमसीडी के पास है।
अच्छा पॉइंट है
ये मालूम नहीं है। एक लाइन सिविल लाइन एमएलए के पास है, मगर 2 लाइन जो है उसके पास है, एमसीडी के पास। लाइट लगती है तो एमसीडी।
हाँ, तो आपको लगता है
लोग परेशान होते हैं। बिजली हमारे पास है, दिल्ली सरकार के पास, तो और ये लाइट एमसीडी की लगती है।
It's clear, which is a good thing, that civic issues is what everyone's talking about. They want changes like their roads, which is terrible, by the way. There's garbage all over. And these are issues that are essentially dominating right now what the people of Jangpura want. Obviously, some of them are saying, look, it's the MCD, not our MLA, who is responsible for things like the roads here. The MCD, of course, was with the BJP, now with the AAP. So it'll be interesting to see whether people actually understand that particular intricacy, that in some cases it's the MCD, not the MLA, who's to blame. Many of them say bad roads, the MLA is to blame. They don't know that a lot of it comes under the MCD. They also may not know that, it's the BJP that had the MCD, now it's the AAP. So it'll be interesting to see which way they vote because of these issues. So I wanted to speak to some of the residents here who've set up base in Delhi, in Jangpura, in Nizamuddin West, and find out from them what kind of changes they really want to see. What kind of changes, if any, have you really seen in your area? Has there been really any development?
Actually, development which was supposed to be expected by all of us, it has not come on ground. It has not. But we will not say that nothing has happened.
But have they been cooperative? Has the MLA also, worked hand in hand with you? Is he communicative? The MLA here, of course, is Mr. Praveen.
Yeah, no, communication remained an issue with us.
Okay.
But several jobs which were done through the MLA-led fund, most of the jobs have been done. Coordination between the central agencies, the municipalities and other governmental agencies lacked. Therefore, we faced a major flood in this zone.
Do you think that, for Mr. Sisodia also, there's a challenge in the sense there's a lot more work to be done?
I think cosmetic work has been done by the previous MLA. The basic structure of the colony has not taken anything. And the proof of that thing is, according to my information, the fund is not fully utilized by the MLA. If the fund is not utilized, this shows the inefficiency of the MLA. So we need infrastructure, we need sewer line to be changed, water line to be changed, and many more things which were not cope with the need of the hour. This is our grievances.
We had a conversation with all of you and you've raised so many issues of what you're facing. What you see, however, when the AAP, BJP, Congress are talking about is issues like Shirish Mahal, is issues of corruption. There's a lot of name calling, whatnot. Does all of that matter to you?
Actually, these are very silly questions which are being raised. It doesn't bother the interest of the residents of Delhi.
The only thing, very importantly, I will say, because the Chief Minister said once that he don't need a Sheesh Mahal or a very...
But he's an Aam Aadmi.
Yes, he is an Aam Aadmi. He will live in a four-bedroom flat. So that thing makes a difference.
Delhi had a budget of around 30,000 crores when AAP took over the government. Last year it was 80,000 crores. So if the budget increases by 50,000 crores, how does 33 crore matter into 80,000 crores?
So you're saying if people benefit, that's all that matters?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, we need clean air, we need clean water, we need sewage, drainage proper.
I agree, yeah.
Education and healthcare.
It's the basics.
Where everybody
must. Expectations are too high and we need results.
With us is Mr. Tarvinder Singh Marwa. Sir, जंगपुरा जब हम गए थे, काफी इश्यूज है, काफी मामले हैं. आपकी सबसे बड़ा प्रायोरिटी क्या है?
11 साल हो गए इस जगह पर, जब से प्रवीण कुमार आया था. जो मैं काम करके गया था, वहीं पर काम सारे अब रुके हुए हैं. प्रॉब्लम गंदे पानी की है, आपको लोगों ने बताया होगा. पार्किंग की है, जो हम पार्किंग का उद्घाटन किया था, आज तक वो पार्किंग शुरू नहीं करा सका, बंद पड़ा हुआ है वहाँ पर. इसी तरह राशन कार्ड बंद कर दिए लोगों के. और उसके बाद राशन कार्ड, जो बुजुर्गों की पेंशनें थी वो बंद करा दी. और उसके बाद झूठ पे झूठ बोला, यहाँ पर लोगों को मिला नहीं. सड़कों का बुरा हाल है.
अगर मनीष सिसोदिया यहाँ पे अभी आ गया है तो क्या आपको लगता है कि फिर अभी और चैलेंजिंग हो गया जंगपुरा में?
नहीं, उन दोनों की जितनी वोटें होंगी मुझे अकेले डलेंगी. ये लिख लो, हाँ लिख लो.
अकेले आपको मिल जाए?
हाँ, जितनी उन दोनों को डलेंगी. 11 साल मैंने काम किया है, जो 15 साल, और जो 11 साल ये इसने काम नहीं किया, तब भी मैं काम करता रहा. मैं घर नहीं बैठा. लोगों की समस्या, जहाँ गंदा पानी आता था, लोगों के बीच में जाके उसकी समस्या को हल करता था. इसलिए आज लोग मुझे इतना प्यार कर रहे हैं.
जब आम आदमी पार्टी से मैं बात कर रही थी, जो कार्यकर्ता है यहाँ पे, वो बोल रहे थे कि मारवा जी इसलिए बीजेपी ज्वाइन किया है क्योंकि नहीं तो ईडी आपके दरवाजे तक आ जाएंगे, क्योंकि बिल्डर माफिया है.
किस चीज का ईडी है?
बोल रहे हैं कि कुछ बिल्डर का घोटाला है.
किस चीज का घोटाला है? सबूत लाना, उसको कहना ले कागज.
तो आपने क्यों कांग्रेस से बीजेपी आ गए?
कांग्रेस ने इसलिए की क्योंकि हमारा जो धर्म का जो करतारपुर कॉरिडोर जब नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने खुलवा दिया, तो मेरी आत्मा में आया कि इससे बड़ा कोई व्यक्ति नहीं. इसमें तो भगवान नरेंद्र मोदी जी में भगवान की रूह है. हमारे लिए मोदी जी ने जो किया, आज तक किसी प्रधानमंत्री ने किया. Okay, so from Jangpura we've made our way
to Greater Kailash, another integral part of Delhi. I'll be honest, it's my first time here at this market of GK. And since I've entered here, I've realized that it's immensely, insanely crowded. There's non-stop traffic. It's a lot of people as well. But we've come here with a very specific reason, again, to find out what the people of GK want from their leaders, from their candidates. So let's take a walk and find out. Are a couple of issues that you feel that, Delhi can be better at and should focus on more and isn't talked about at all?
I think if the infrastructure is better, we could do one car per family. So metro's there, the flyovers are there, but unfortunately we still have major bottlenecks, encroachments and things. So I think infrastructure is one thing we could look at.
Do you think that, you want Delhi to be better? How? Is it safety? Is it infrastructure?
Yes, safety definitely, especially, for women, you can't think of traveling alone, no matter how developed you say Delhi is. But still, till today, I don't think it's too safe for women. So safety is a big concern there.
For the many years that you've been here, do you feel it getting better or not really?
Not really. In fact, I feel it has got worse.
So GK Greater Kailash is of course a residential area. So let's talk to some residents, find out what they really think about MLA Saurabh Bharadwaj and whether they feel there needs to be more work done. Hello, good afternoon everyone. Thank you so much for taking the time out and joining us here. We've got a councillor here who's from the BJP and the MLA from the Aam Aadmi Party. Does that affect you?
Because of the multiplicity of authority, everyone between the three, the police, the councillor, the MLA, the ball is rotating. I can understand MCD is not under the MLA, but there has to be a system where we can control all these things.
Do you think then, sir, that, there's a lot of talk that if you have the same representative from the same political party at the councillor level and as MLA, then work will get done. Is that the solution?
You're right. It will be much better if both are from the same mind frame and same party. But ऐसा तो होना नहीं चाहिए कि काम ना हो हमारे.
Do you think also on the issue of freebies, like sir mentioned, do you feel disappointed when every political party speaks of it?
I think they are needed because, yes, of course, the poor people are able to travel. They get electricity. They are very happy. And I'm also very happy. At least the electricity doesn't go. Our generators are lying idle.
We are okay with welfare. Freebies is money, but now it is a competitive thing.
Correct.
Between all parties. So who do you choose?
First they were criticized not the same thing.
First thing, वही जैसे statehood के लिए पहले बोलते हैं, हर चीज के लिए we want political parties to have a binding manifesto.
What about you, sir? What do you think of all this?
I think freebies are not required at all.
Okay.
Only education and health. Yes. When you are giving something to someone, you are not giving it out of your own pocket. It is basically a taxpayer's money. And somehow we are paying extra to subsidize something. Limit to healthcare. To give proper healthcare to each and every person, to those who require. Give proper education to the children. Let them go for higher studies. Fund them. But not like this, somebody saying we will give you 2100, the other says 2500. Next somebody will say, I'll give you 10 crores and give me all the votes. This cannot happen.
Saurabhji, welcome to India Today. We've been going around GK. We spoke to the RWAs, and I have a few questions for you on behalf of them. We spoke to Greater Kailash 1 RWA. Yes, I don't know if I should mention who they are. You'll see it on the show. But you've been the MLA of GK. You're looking to come back as the MLA. What is it that you've not done that you want to accomplish next?
I think GK1 per se has been at a disadvantage because they had a BJP councillor and she has terrorized the MCD workers in such a way that even if I want to do something, I want to give my MLA funds, she doesn't let it happen. You go to any of the park, you will find, children's swings there, you will find gazebo there, you will find, decorative lights there. We have changed the sewer lines, we have changed the water lines. we have done whatever we could do from my MLA fund.
There are limitations. You're saying you have regret. So then, when the BJP says ensure double engine government, ensure we're in the state, ensure we're in the center, you'll get everything. How do you counter that narrative?
No. It is basically people have seen what BJP does because Delhi had BJP government. So what BJP is telling the voters today is that whatever Kejriwal did, we are ready to do the same. So if BJP has to do what Kejriwal has been doing, then why do we need BJP? We have Kejriwal. I think it is a moral victory for Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party that even the Prime Minister has to say, no, we will do whatever Kejriwal has been doing. So I think when people have the original one, why do we need the duplicate one?
The other thing that I've noticed in Delhi is there is some sense of anti-incumbency, of some frustration, anti-incumbency against Arvind Kejriwal, against the Aam Aadmi Party. How do you plan to combat that, counter that?
Look, I am responsible for my constituency. Okay, I will give Arvind Kejriwal my constituency, and what I am very sure about it. Ram Ram. And what I can say is there is no anti-incumbency. For my constituency, there is pro-incumbency. And the second advantage which I have, is the BJP candidate is a councillor in one of the wards for last 7 years, and I am the MLA for last 11 years. So people have basically experienced working with both of us. So they have a first-hand experience. So they know how we behave, whether we are arrogant or not, whether we work or not. So they will vote according to our personalities.
I can see you reached your spot and the crowds are waiting for you.